That's why fear pitney them coming like batty man. Now mix up my pitney with fear pitney girl. Me and my pitney I live good life. Me not in no landlord worries. Every month, every time, the first and the second and the third of the month, my $2,100 pay. You have to rent about $500 or more that you can't even find it to pay your rent. And you say you're a hot girl. You know rather take money go to breast, body, teeth, and buy all these cars just to post on the gram, forget a look wow and forget likes. But in a real life, when are stranded to pay on the rent, when you're hungry like that, not even grocery you can buy cheese, I be Uber eat you, but your baby father if you send go get picnic when you come from work. Me could talk about it. Me could talk about it when my money I take a buy my local Walmart bed and my local Walmart furniture and I live somewhere comfortable and I pay my rent. The landlord now fear knock my door every day for rent. Me and my landlord now got a courthouse to put me on plan for pay my rent. Cheese when you pay your rent, then you can talk to me. When you can't find money for buy groceries for put in your house, then you can talk to me. Turn on your live and show in your bedroom. Turn on your live and show in your kitchen. Turn on your live and show in your bathroom. Turn on your live and walk go down on your front decks and tell your landlord to walk one. How much me owe on the rent? Me no owe no blood clot money. You owe more than $10,000 for your rent. Me could walk go in at any courthouse and ask no judge if me dey on the plan for pay my rent and a foreigner no come. But if you go down in your yard and looking at the garage, you have big chair park up. And if you go in at the mirror, you look for your breast, you have stiff breast cock up. And if you go in at the mirror again and look around for your body, your pussy, on the body on the pussy dope. And if you're looking at your mouth, your teeth white like chop, but you don't live nowhere because the landlord want to run your out. You don't have no food in your house, care money take on the breast. Me could talk about it. No, girl, no, good girl, no come and find and waste time. And people like Uno Donald Trump for the port. People like Uno.